Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of technical analysis with a focus on the net volume indicator in RTrader Pro. This tutorial is designed to help you understand how to use this powerful tool to make informed trading decisions. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your strategies, mastering the net volume indicator can provide valuable insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of what the net volume indicator is, how to interpret it, and how to integrate it into your trading strategies. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why the net volume indicator is so important. Volume is a cornerstone of technical analysis. It tells us how much trading activity is happening behind price movements. High volume during a price increase suggests strong buying interest, while high volume during a price decline indicates strong selling pressure. The net volume indicator takes this a step further. It calculates the difference between buying and selling volume, giving us a clearer picture of market sentiment. This can help us identify whether buyers or sellers are in control, spot potential reversals, and confirm the strength of a trend. In short, the net volume indicator is essential because it helps us understand the why behind price movements, not just the what. Throughout this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to use the net volume indicator effectively. Here's what you can expect. First, we'll start with an overview of the net volume indicator, including how it's calculated and what it represents. Then we'll move on to interpreting the indicator on RTrader Pro, including how to read bullish and bearish signals. Next, we'll explore practical applications, such as integrating the net volume indicator with other tools and using it in various trading strategies. Finally, we'll discuss advanced techniques, common mistakes to avoid, and how to refine your strategy over time. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation for using the net volume indicator to enhance your trading decisions. Let's begin with the basics. To understand the net volume indicator, we first need to understand volume itself. Volume measures the number of shares or contracts traded in a security or market during a given period. It's a key component of technical analysis because it provides context for price movements. For example, a price increase accompanied by high volume is more likely to be sustainable than one with low volume. Now let's talk about the difference between gross volume and net volume. Gross volume is the total number of shares traded, regardless of whether they were bought or sold. Net volume, on the other hand, is the difference between buying and selling volume. In RTrader Pro, the net volume indicator is calculated by subtracting selling volume from buying volume. This gives us a single value that represents the net pressure in the market. Positive net volume indicates buying pressure, while negative net volume suggests selling pressure. On the RTrader Pro platform, the net volume indicator is typically displayed as a histogram or line chart, often color-coded for easy interpretation. Spikes in the indicator can signal strong buying or selling activity, while periods of low net volume may indicate market indecision. Understanding these basics is the first step toward using the net volume indicator effectively. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how to interpret the net volume indicator on RTrader Pro. The first thing to look for is whether the indicator is showing positive or negative values. Positive values indicate that buying volume is outweighing selling volume, which is typically a bullish signal. Negative values, on the other hand, suggest that selling volume is dominant, which is often a bearish signal. However, it's important to consider the context. For example, a strong uptrend with consistently positive net volume is a good sign that the trend is healthy. Conversely, if the price is rising but net volume is declining, it could indicate that the trend is losing momentum. Another key aspect to watch for is spikes in the indicator. A sudden spike in net volume can signal a strong shift in market sentiment, often preceding a significant price movement. Similarly, sharp drops in net volume can indicate a potential reversal or a period of consolidation. By paying attention to these signals, you can gain valuable insights into market dynamics and make more informed trading decisions. In addition to interpreting the net volume indicator on its own, it's also important to consider how it interacts with price action. One of the most powerful ways to use the net volume indicator is to look for confirmation between volume and price movements. For example, if the price is breaking out of a key resistance level and the net volume indicator shows a strong spike in buying volume, this is a good sign that the breakout is legitimate. On the other hand, if the price is making new highs but the net volume indicator is showing declining or negative values, it could be a warning sign that the move is not supported by strong buying interest. This kind of divergence between price and volume can be a powerful signal of potential reversals. By combining the net volume indicator with other technical tools, such as moving averages or support and resistance levels, you can build a more robust trading strategy. Now let's explore some practical applications of the net volume indicator in RTrader Pro. One common strategy is to use the indicator to confirm breakouts. For example, if the price is approaching a key resistance level, you can watch for a spike in net volume to confirm that the breakout is backed by strong buying interest. Another strategy is to use the net volume indicator to identify potential reversals. If the price is trending upward but the net volume indicator starts to show declining or negative values, it could be a sign that the trend is losing steam and a reversal may be imminent. Similarly, you can use the net volume indicator to confirm trend continuations. If the price is in a strong uptrend and the net volume indicator remains consistently positive, it's a good sign that the trend is likely to continue. By incorporating these strategies into your trading routine, you can use the net volume indicator to make more informed and confident decisions. Finally, let's discuss some advanced techniques for using the net volume indicator. One powerful concept is volume accumulation and distribution. Accumulation occurs when buying volume is consistently higher than selling volume, often leading to upward price movements. Distribution, on the other hand, happens when selling volume outweighs buying volume, typically leading to downward price movements. By analyzing these patterns, you can gain insights into potential trends and reversals. Another advanced technique is to look for divergence between price and volume. For example, if the price is making new highs but the net volume indicator is showing lower highs, it could be a sign that the upward momentum is weakening. This kind of divergence can be a powerful signal of potential reversals. Additionally, it's important to consider the impact of different time frames on volume data. For example, short-term traders may focus on intraday volume patterns, while long-term investors may look at weekly or monthly volume trends. By tailoring your analysis to your trading style, you can make the most of the net volume indicator. As we wrap up, let's recap the key takeaways from this tutorial. The net volume indicator is a powerful tool for understanding market sentiment and making informed trading decisions. By analyzing the difference between buying and selling volume, you can gain valuable insights into the strength and sustainability of price movements. Remember to use the net volume indicator in conjunction with other technical tools, such as price action and support and resistance levels, to build a more robust trading strategy. Finally, practice is key. Spend time analyzing live charts and experimenting with different strategies to refine your skills. Thank you for following along, and I encourage you to continue exploring the world of technical analysis. Happy trading!